Dumelang Sanmonani, good afternoon. Welcome to the African Conversation, the voice for Africans, where Africans connect. I'm Angel Khachopani, and on today's show, we'll be talking about the relevance of African practices in modern day South Africa. By African practices, we are referring to practices such as ukuthwala, ilobola, and ukuhlolwa. We've had instances where about 65 young girls were killed in a road accident on their way to their annual reed dance in Swaziland. I have my guests here in studio today. We have Lawrence Mkiti, Edith Mahlangu, and Nisile Sogana. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
From you, Lawrence, please explain to us which organization you're from and what does it do.
Mina ngingu-Lawrence Mgidi, ngivela ngaphasi kwe-organization ebizwa bonyana Ingoma Forum. That organization sisetraya ukubuyisa abantu emasikweni, sithi azibuyele emasisweni. We trying to rebuild African style ukuthi abantu asiliseni ukuzenza amakhuwa entweni sibabantu abanzima.
Okay, Edith?
I'm Edith Mahlangu, and I've been a victim of Ubutwala, when instance whereby my parents forced me into a marriage, arranged marriage, and I was not happy about it.
And Ms. Sogana,
Yes,
quickly tell us about the organization that you're from.
Okay, organization yethu yiWiser, based events, which is around here at Joburg. Silwana namalungelo wabantu besifazane, which is as uva Edith esho uba wanyanzela emshadweni, which is totally wrong. And siyake sinama organization around South Africa, endaweni ezifana nase-Eastern Cape, KZN, which mostly you find izinto zokuthwala. And then nezinto ke ezifana nokuhlolwa, which is you are not forced ukuthi uhambe uyohlolwa, kumele wenze ngentando yakho. So i-organization yethu ithetha ngezinto ezinjalo, inceda nabantu besifazane.
Okay, Bob Lawrence, ngicela ungitshele, quickly tell me about the process of ukuthwala. Where does it all begin? Why is it so important in this day and age that a girl is checked for virginity? Why?
Yabona nawunge ungathi uyayicala indaba yokuthwala, abantu abaningi nasibele emvanyana beyibahelebha ukukhuluma iqiniso. Ngoba nawungathi uyacala ekadeni nasithatha mhlambe isikhathi nje sisibuyisele emva, into efana nokuba mhlambe yi-single parent, mhlambe nje ummakhulisa abantwana ayedwa, yayingatholakali lula ngombana ukuthwala bekuhelebha ekubeni umuntu mhlambe ahone nje ukuba mhlambe umuntu angabi sengilweyo. Into efana nale nento ihelebha nangehlangothini lokuthini umuntu nabamthweleko kunabanye abantu emndenini nje uyahona ukumbona ukuthi mhlambe umuntu akatholi umuntu mhlambe uhlekisana naye, angithi kutsho njalo. So ukuthwala behelebha ekutheni umuntu uyahona ukuthi uyabona musekuthathwa umuntu osesemusha, uyangithola. Hayi into ezenzeka amalanga la mhlambe abesana benza umntazana isikhaftini, bamenza isikhaftini naceda kugcina angakatshadi, umuntu akhona ugcina anganaphi.
And can I say something as well? To his point, he's right, because I asked my parents why they're doing it, and they said just because I have 2 kids and my behavior doesn't look like I'm gonna get a man anytime soon, so they did it because of it looked like I'm going nowhere slowly, and they forcefully did it, put that upon me. And guess what? He didn't even do anything for me. All he wanted to do was just sleep with me and go out with me so that his friends would see that he's got a young girlfriend, a wife, and stuff like that. So I'm
How long were you with this man?
I didn't even know him. I was with him for almost 2 years. 1 year 6 months was enough. I couldn't take it anymore.
Uyabona mina ngesingami kuya ngumuntu, uyangithola. Angeze wathi nawufika ngekerekeni mhlambe uzitshela ukuthi abantu umfundisi nakafunda iBhayibheli abantu ababonke bayizwisisa. Kunabanye sebadlulisa nje ukuthi ngile. Uyabona efana nale abantu abafani. Hleze kungenzeka ukuthi ukutholakala yena athole umuntu omunye wehloko etshisako, uyabona. abantu abafana abantu bahlukile angazi
Where
Since
do you
Lucy,
draw
as-
the yeah.
Yes, as an advocate for women's rights, what's your take on this?
Mna ndivumelani nayo yonke le nto ayithethayo utamgeti ndiya-understand into ayitshoyo ndiya-understand into ze-culture into ezinjalo beyikhona into ye-culture for years. Did it work for our parents? No. Ndithetha from experience for wam umama, you understand? Nditshatile, I was in love first and then sangena nomtshato, which is okay. And
Which
yes,
leads us to another
yes,
topic. Ilobola, why?
and
For who?
awayibhatali imusi yabo into yelobola. Because why? But no, we have cases. For example, in Eastern Cape.
So are you telling me that your husband didn't pay lobola?
My husband did. Okay, I want to put that straight. My husband did. Ndifuna ukuza kule ndawo yokuthi before singene kule lobola ni le yokuthwala ngizongena ukulobola. Sine case eMthatha ni many cases which abantwana abancinci abali underage, which is abantwana abana 15, 14. You understand? Bayathathwa basiwe emtshatweni hayi ngokuthanda, ngokunyanzelwa. It's not a matter of okay umzali wami uyangicingela andithathe. No, abantwana bathathwa nge-forced, meaning bayabethwa before beyofika pha, bathathwa lobuntombi babo before ezixela uba okay umuntu wami lo kanye into, and abantu badala for bona. Where do we draw the line? Because abantwana abancinci okokuqala kumele baye esikolweni. Umntwana mangaba wenza i-mistakes zakhe ebomini bakhe, it's fine. Asithi uba umuntu uzoba perfect. Naye ngicinga uba u-Edith naye uba abazali bakhe bayabamnikeza ixesha bamnikeze ixesha lokuthi aqhubeke ngobomi bakhe mhlawumbi ayizotshintsha but ukuthi bamforce ayenze
But Lawrence, ngicela ukubuza. Unabantwana. You mentioned before the show that you have 4 girls.
yeah.
What would you do as the man of the house? Ubaba wabo, they are your kids, they grew up before your eyes. What would happen one day uzokuthi umntana wakho bamthwele in this day and age?
uyabona mina
Ngomthuma yothenga isinkwa akabuya.
Ngesigaba uyabona ngifuna niqale kuhle niqalisise ne into yokuthwala abase bathathe isiqundu sokuthi mhlambe umuntu uyathwala ne ngizokwenzela isizathu ngithatha isizathu saka Edith la bese le anabantwana abangaki abantwana ababili phezu kwabantwana ababili labo ngombana unina namkha ngatsho ngithi ababelethi bakhe bayamthanda bakhona ukumcabangela bonyana ucabanga ukuthi akusikanengi indoda ikhone ukuthatha nawuqala iphasi namhlanje ayisikanengi indoda ikhone ufuna ukuthatha umntazana ngatsho osela nabantwana ababili uyayibona kuqalwa inzathu isiqundu esinjalo asemane sithathe uyangithola ukuthi mthini asemane kuthathwe nje decide ukuthi mhlambe kuthatha umuntu othize kunenzathu ngemva kwalokho uyangithola kunabantwana nangaphandle mhlambe ngenza isizathu ngithi ebahonopheleko eba-disable uyangithola bayahelejwa ekuthini abakhone ukuthola abangatsho ngithi hleze umuntu ongakhona ukumthatha uyangithola umuntu ongampitha njengoba ngitshile abantu asifani
nibachuza kanjani ke ngoku abantu? Because for example Edith benabantwana ababini, you understand? Nabantwana ababini unikezwa umtshato nanku uyathwala. Nimchuze kanjani lo muntu ulungele na uEdith nobomi bakhe obu anabo? Because uphumile ngomtshatweni
kuthathwa yazi kwenziwane kaningi
Let me cut you quickly. Very, very touchy topic there. We'll be back after the break.
Hey, think of all that we could do if we started with me and you. And I'll keep coming back around. Hey, some things will never be explained. Summer's calling out 1,000 names. And I'll keep coming back around. I'll keep coming back around. Outside the summer's calling. These are the days without a care. And when the It all started with you and me. Oh, wait and you'll see. I'll keep coming back around. I'll keep coming back around. I'll keep coming back around.
Welcome back to the African Conversation, the voice for Africans. I'm Angel Hahopana and I'm still with my guests here on studio. But before we go back to them, I'd like to read a couple of Facebook messages here. Our topic for today was, what is the relevance of cultural practices in modern day South Africa? Bongandlovu says that, I feel that we are running away from our true being by trying to burn our practices. And on Twitter, Space Word says, we are so backwards as a people. We need to move away from this. What is your take on that as a cultural expert?
Uyabona ngizokutshela iqiniso umuntu nawungaziko bonyana ubuyaphi angeze wazazi bonyana uyaphi ne
Lawrence, we need to understand that times are changing. We need to move on with the times. You cannot have an instance whereby motho wa tsamaya mo le mo strateng skidligidli awu
uyabona lento yokuhamba nomoya iyalimala nawungathi uyayiqalisisa umoya na uyangapha ngiyangapha yazi ikingiphaya ukulethela ne ngiqale indaba mhlambe njena yamalobolo yazi nawuyindoda nawulobole umfazi ngikhaya ngendlini wazi ukuthi umfazi lo ngimlobolile. Do you know that thing ukuthi ikupha uba proud kangaka uyangithola yazi kunomehluko lokha umuntu sele umchatile nalokha umlobolile ngitsho nje umlobolile mhlambe nalokha ayi girlfriend.
Ilobola is a problem for me ngoba ilobola they think they own me. Yeah, you understand? And for a person like me, won't keep a lobola untole strategi one. And nizohlala strategi, I'll come back to you marinzoya. That's where you got me, you understand? Paying lobola you don't own me, I don't own me.
So right now sharp aba ko patella lobola.
Scam patella. Let's try nake patella na bona ukhoberi ka di rules ta kana. They won't. If it was the other way around, the tables change, they won't, you understand? Okay, let me highlight something. Girls between 15 and 21 always going missing. They're not missing. Bahleli kwabo boyfriend abafuna ukubuya ekhaya. They're not missing. That's why they never found, because bahleli call. They want to be there. You understand? That's why. Mina ngaphathele.
So you give someone amke dibheketsa haya atsamaya
once.
Uyazi ungathi siluza mhlambe lapha ekheni indaba yamalobola.
If technology is changing and other things are changing, why can't people change?
Which leads us to the next one. I mean, right now, why are we still circumcising abantu leyaphana intabeni? We have clinics for that. We have hospitals for that, which provide proper medical care. Ufana ukuthi umuntu sala aya engomeni akabuyi makabuyi uyagula. What now? What is so special about Ingoma that one cannot go to a clinic by umkhat? I get ma lawyer na hamba na lawyer na yalaphan. Gafana will still be the same people.
Okay, yeah. No kesipele kumalobola lapha. Uyabona indaba amalobola lena ngizokutshela ngayo ngifuna ukuzoku explain le ndaba amalobola. Yazi amalobola nasiwaqaleko sihlanganisa inqumbi embili zabantu. Sihlanganisa imindeni.
What's wrong with calling a family meeting?
Yazi kuhle kangangani imindeni emibili sinayihlangene ngamalobola ngoba yahloniphana. Qala izake ngikutshele amalobola ngizokutshela amalobola ngokuthomeni bekungasimali. Izake ngikukulethela amalobola ukuthi yini. Yazi amalobola yini? Kwakhona nekomo ngiyamhlaba ukusukela emvanyana le amalobolo bekuthathwa mhlambe ngatsho ngithi nembuzi beyilobola nemvu beyilobola ukuze kugcine sekufaka ikomo sekufaka nemali yini kulokho angisho impilo le iba modernized
Exactly. So ukuthi wena you are in denial, but Lawrence.
Simodernize ngani ngesikhethu kuqalweni ukuthi nasikulobola ngembuzi imbuzi leya angisho imndeni yana imndeni nayiza ngomnengi njena imbuzi leya isichebo lesa nasihlatshwako asisalenganeli umndeni kugcina kwenziwani kusetshenziswa ikomo why ngoba ikomo ikhona ukusilingana sibanengi emndenini uyangithola kwagcina kufakwa imali ngaphakathi kubonani imali yenza ipilo ibe lula malanga yazi injani sithatha isikhethu sithatha itradition siyayimodernize siyenza
We are modernizing our culture.
lalela
We are modernizing our culture by the fact ukuthi we are modernizing our culture by the fact ukuthi asisaya engomeni asisaya entabeni se-clinic manje
no lalela ke
as much as beyikhipha inkomo nembuzi manje nikhipha imali that is modernizing
asiphumi endleleni esiberegisa kunamkha ngithi
so baba yamiclinic baphuma kondleleni
ungizwe ne izake ngikutshele ngengoma uyabona ingoma akusizinzathu lezo zikhulumako kuphela uyazi nange ungaya endaweni emakhaya lena ne uqale hlanga nina musingoma nicabanga ukuthi ingoma iku-negative side kuphela there's a positive side
I understand that.
izake ngikuexplain
I understand that, but what is so special about ingoma?
aha lalela nginda angisho thatha umuntu obuya engomeni ne umbeke la uthathe umuntu ongakayi engomeni umbeke la izake ngikutsheleke kunomehluko omkhulu izake ngikulethela umehluko ne yazi umuntu obuya engomeni ibehavior yakhe ngendlela inqondo akhona ukuzithatha ukhona ukuthatha inqondo ezihlakaniphileyo angazi uyangifika na umuntu ongomeni obuye engomeni ufundisiwe ukuba yindoda uyangithola nange
Lawrence ngine problem
ya
uthi babafundisa ukuba amadoda uzothola ukuthi mina umntwana wami una 16 ubuya le ntabeni sekazongitshela ukuthi wena
izake ngitshela angingakhulumela eminye imihlobo angikhulumele umhlobo wekhethu amandebele thina engomeni uyalokha nasele ulungele mhlambe usele ngeminyakanyana ukuthi ungathatha izake ngitshela ngikuexplainele amandebele kunesikhathi mhlambe uyakhula ukhulukhulu bemsegwabo ube msana selumsana nase umzimba uthoma ukuqina mhlambe uthi boma 21 lapha 18 mhlambe asebona ukuthi uyaqina sewulungele mhlambe ukuya ema-university into ezifana nalezo kulaba kuthatha khona abakusengomeni angisho sewulungele ukuthi mhlambe unga-university after iminyakanyana obvious uzogcina udecide ukuthatha izake ngikutshela yeah
we have I guess the Ubalise Khare, she had a very touching story to tell us about her experience about all these cultural practices.
Oh, okay.
So Masimlalele. Are you saying?
Yeah, hi. Well, what I went through was tragic. I like to look back on it and I think it made me grow as a person. What happened was, back in KZN, and then I had to live with a man I didn't know for 5 years, and he was just brutal, abusive as well, and he was very controlling, and it was the worst time of my life. I managed to escape, and I moved to Joburg, where I learned that these cultural practices and these African whatevers are irrelevant in today's time.
Exactly.
They are very irrelevant. I mean, we're moving and we're living in a dynamic world where things are changing. Why can't these African practices change as well? So after experiencing that, moving here and realizing that what is happening back in KZN is irrelevant, I feel like, Mr. Mkiti, I'm not disrespecting you in any way, but it is very irrelevant and unnecessary.
Thank you, Baleseng, for sharing your experience with us. Yes, Ms. Sokana.
Yeah, with Lenda Ichilo Baliseng, we get many cases as you as Baliseng, which is bana 15. You understand? Utwa okay, uphuma bele seke right. Ndingamthatha ngimenza unkosikazi wamasendlini. Umenza kanjani umntana na 15 unkosikazi? I mean, it's hard for me to be a wife. You understand? As needs into kumele ndizifunde. But for a child una 15, una 12, how can you be a wife?
And you know how they're modernizing this umthwalo thing nowadays. You look at girls in high school and university. Ba pere di promise ring. We put sore motho mokhala ba pesa ngwana high school promise ring o misa kae. Ha o tlwelle ka montlung o tlwella bang boyfriend. Motho o tshabale moshimane mo ngapere ring. Ke bona ka ngwana ko hae.
Mara hape dilo tse di go hae.
ithi ngingene lapha endabeni kaBaliseni ne i-guest yakho uyabona indaba kaBaliseni nawuyiqalako yazi ayisilo isiko pilo lethu elonakeleko konakele abantu angazi ngifuna ngizwe kuhle babantu ebathatha iadvantage yesiko lethu siyindlu enzima bayona uyangithola for an example ukuthatha umntwana hleze ongaba neminyaka engangasinyana umsa engomeni selabuya ngikuzobuza umbuzo ukuthi selabuya ufuna ukuba indoda ngaya sele bengisa explain before uthatha igest yakho ngibuyela lapha endabeni nami sele umuntu abuyile engomeni ulungela ekutheni mhlambe angathatha yazi ingoma ihelebha ekutheni nase ubuye engomeni uba umuntu ovuthiweko so ready for ukwenzani for ready for ukuthatha umfazi uyabuya engomeni mhlambe uyabuya nase ubuye engomeni mhlambe university no university mhlambe na uqeda isikolo utshayela ama taxi wenzani yonke into yenzako sele u ready ukuthatha angisho uvuthiwe engomeni kuyafuna bamfundisa umuntu ukuthi nakaphethe umfazi now uthethe umfazi uthi this is my wife uphathwa njani how to respect umfazi uyangithola kuyisiko philo
lethu say about that
so go komeng ntate Mgidi himsakanye kuba housewife ka 18 la mudumela udumelehile
anginendaba as long as umuntu are ready for ukuthi ngingachata as long as umuntu amthanda umuntu wakhe
wabane ke banyadiste umuntu akhlankomeng wanyaka housewife ngebe kusathaba
no I think that's why ngithi mina kumuntu na ungathi uyayiqala akusithi sonke abantu esiyenza lokho asifani izake ngitshele abantu asifani ayisisiko elonakeleko babantu abonakeleko asifile nemasikweni nibona ukuthi sokuphila kamnandi kangangani
okay, quickly to wrap up because we're running out of time. Wena Mgidi, what are your last words?
Mina kugimi kokugcina ngatsho ngithi mina nanoma ungenzani ufunde ube ne doctorate ube nani mara isiko lekhini asoze walibalekela njani fanele ulenze.
Before we wrap up, Mara, I don't know any culture. If somebody asks me where you're from, tell me about your culture. I don't know where to start because I grew up in a township and I don't know anything about traditions. I don't know what to say, what to explain. So, mina
uphendula umbuzo wakho ngasho ngithi mina na ungathola ama organization afana newethu abongoma forum mhlambe ungaba ukuthi singenelele khulu uqala ukuthi mhlambe isibongo sakho ngesakwamahlangu nginasi kumaqhoza nayimazulu nayimandebele ulalela imhajo ekhambelana nesikhenneso and then kulapho bazokutshela khona ukuthi mhlambe kwamahlangu ngisho kunamahlelo wesikhethu
Lawrence,
yeah.
I understand that you have a lot to say about this. Sislingisile, what are your last words to all the young women out there who are going through what Baliseng has gone through?
I think they should take. I go right with benze obviously into Baliseng abaleke and whatever, but that's the only option. Angeka lokuhlala endaweni ongafuniyo. And for ilobola lotyoliwe nam and they understand umgidi xa ke thuba indoda isifila indoda ngaba ilobulile emzini so naye xa engena emagcikeni asekhaya xa engena ebaleni lasekhaya uya understand nasekhaya bamhlonipha so that's the main important part ekuthandeni kwami nantoni esendlini vele uzonihlonipha njengomfazi wakhe leyo kuyentabeni isesenzima bayasweleka abantwana inzima indaba yentaba. So as much as ngokubazisa izinto ezintsha zokuthi abantwana mabaye esibhedlele, then ke ngube sehamba entabeni afunde whatever abayifunda entabeni, but baqala esibhedlele basikwe and whatsoever kwenziwe yonke lento kumele yenziwe. So agriculture yami ndiyayithanda, but sometimes man ezinye izinto kumele zitshintshe.
Okay, that's all we have for you today. You can watch our live podcast at africanconversation.com. Join the conversation on Facebook at the African Conversation _. Also follow us on Twitter, at African Conversation. For now, that's all we have. Same time next week. Night.